Don't spoil that thing. Yeah? Don't spoil that thing. Samuel, don't spoil that table. Má bà tàbí jẹ́ o. Samuel, ṣọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀. Ó máa bá yé kí ní ìjẹba yìí. Tọ́jọ́ síbẹ̀ àti wájú. Ìrètí tí wọ́n ta àrójútó ẹ̀ mọ́. Ó sọ lórí burúkú ni. Jẹ́nsì, ọjọ́ ni tó wá bí ọdọ̀rí ẹ̀rù ni àárín nǹkan fi ṣe mọ́. Mi ì mọ bí tó ti rí gbé wálé gan. Ń gbọ́ ló ti rí gan. Kò ní jó kankan ilé ní òun tó ayé kò ní tẹ́ ìdí ni fẹ̀rẹ̀fẹ̀ wá ti wá bí gbogbo wa gbogbo ọwọ́ tọ́ntọ́ntọ́n náà máa tẹ́tẹ́tẹ́tẹ́tẹ́ tó máa fi dorí ẹ̀rù mọ́ tó ń wá kiri.
Ẹ ṣe gan màmú nípa ọmọ ìṣeré mọ́ gbogbo ìgbé tẹ́ ṣẹ́ láti jọ ẹ̀ tèmi kọ́ ọmọ yín ni.
Ẹ gbà mí òyìnbó gbọ́ Yorùbá.
Torí táàbù lásán ẹ wá sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi wá ṣépè fún mi ẹ ṣe gan mọ́.
Gabriel, wait!
What is it again?
Please don't go. I didn't mean to. My parents just need to learn a little bit more.
Your excuse is wrong. And because of you, I will change my school because of ordinary time. That's why your mother is shouting on me. Tap my food. When I see you outside, I'm not going to talk to you. And when you see me outside, I'm not going to talk to you. Because of you, and I'll change my school. Your parents are hostile.
Gabriel, please wait.
What is it? What's the problem? I'm not going to come your house and don't come my house again. We're not more friends, and your parents is bad. Bad parents. Hostile parents. Good day.
Kò sọ fún mi gbogbo Yorùbá Samuel.
Now he has gone. So you want your old grandmas and friends to be my own friend?
No, I'm sorry. I'm going to beg him for you.
How can you beg him when he's already leaving? How can you beg him when he's changing his school? You are just old style about everything, and it's right. Parents should not be old style to their children's friends. It is good for all parents to be friends.